We had such an experience. This is what you need. He talked about the age of the door, and he said that some of the things should be updated. Just so speedy, and not a push, not a sales gimmick, just what do you need, let me help you. And he was very empathetic, very let me help you. And I tutor a student in nursing school, and she was here at the time, and she was impressed with it. And he went beyond just taking care of the garage door. He programmed my car. He programmed the nursing student's car because she comes into our garage. He did that just out of the goodness of his heart. And he told me all the features and just, what else can I do to help you? He just saved us that day. In fact, I made him lunch because he was here over lunch. I'm going to thank them for not having a robot answer the phone. I love that you can talk to a person, and they gave us prompt service. And it was just such a traumatic event for us, especially for me because I know nothing about anything mechanical, and I'm like, whoa. But he was very informative, put me right at ease. He just very personable, and call me anytime. Here's my number. If you need anything, I'll come back. And he did.